Good morning, and welcome to the first edition of ExaConf. And I welcome you to the post-PC era of Web3. With Exa protocol, we envisioned to change the current Web3 world order and to bring power back to the people to maintain the networks. Before it can happen, we have identified two major roadblocks. First, there is a high reliance on PC hardware at the moment. This, we believe, is a fundamental flaw with the current layer 1s. So how do we solve this problem? Well, we can start by removing the need for a PC in the first place and use a mobile phone instead. It is about 1 million times faster than the guidance computer that sent people to the moon. And most importantly, it offers equitable compute. There is no phone out there that has a power of a server farm. Finally, it is decentralized by nature. First, an infrastructure app that allows you to store and retrieve your data from a decentralized network built using mobile devices. And we are calling it ExaDrive. Second, an ERC20 token through which we compensate the users for sharing their storage on the ExaDrive app. And third, a breakthrough layer 1 that runs natively on mobile devices. And we are calling it Darwin.
Hi, I'm Arpan, and I'm excited to show you something which changes how we look at the applications of blockchain. It allows you to share your phone storage on the Exa network and also allows other people on the network to use it. And here we are today with ExaDrive, where you can get practically limitless cloud storage, which is by default anonymized, encrypted, and decentralized. You also get rewarded for being a good storage partner through our native token. Now let's start with the home screen of the ExaDrive app. There is a list of all my files which I've uploaded to the drive. Now let's choose a file to be uploaded. I am uploading this image, and yes, I've made it public. Now if I look at one more file, there is a request option. So I've opened another file, which is basically having a download button. If I click on download, the server will send the file and it will be deleted from the caching server. Now let's go to Naman to understand technically how developers can use ExaDrive in their projects.
Thank you, Arpan. Hi, I'm Naman. The last few months have been very exciting as we implemented the research to build the actual tech. We are using AES-256 encryption, which uses a private key that resides only with the data owner. So nobody except that data owner can decrypt that file. So here, I'm working on a portfolio website, and it requires some images. Earlier, Arpan uploaded an image and generated the public link. Let's use that public link and add it to our website, which Arpan has uploaded. And when I click over this, I can get a public link. So let's click on this button, which will copy this link in. So let's go to our code and let's paste it over here. Now let's see what happens. So if I reload the website, whoa, there you go. Now we have an actual image instead of placeholder. The files can be stored on ExaDrive and then integrated directly into your websites.
Our app compensates the user through a token called ZAP, which is an ERC20 token with a limited supply of 1 billion. Users who provide storage and transfer data on requests are compensated through this token. You can also use the token to use the storage on the Exa network. One last thing. All along, we have been proving that mobile phones are enough to power the internet, or to provide the storage at least. But is it capable enough to run a full-blown blockchain? That is, can a mobile phone act as a full node? After 2 years of research and development, today we are really proud to announce a layer 1 that runs natively on mobile devices. And we are calling it Darwin. Darwin is an evolutionary layer 1 chain that mutates to increase the TPS of the chain.
In the past 50 years, we've moved from room-sized computers to smaller than palm-sized devices, which can actually do more than those mainframes. But what happened in blockchain? To participate as a miner, we've moved from one machine, which was a laptop, to the size of a farm. Darwin models the real world's evolution into a blockchain which is mobile first. Well, a mobile phone can now act as a full node and we can achieve a massive TPS of 7.5 million at scale. Can you imagine that? It's a layer 1 chain. It supports mobile devices as full nodes. And most importantly, it reduces the amount of energy spent on mining a block. It is a distributed tree architecture. A group of nodes start with the genesis chain. As it grows, this chain mutates into multiple child blockchains. In Darwin, we have introduced 4 types of blocks: genesis, transaction, audit, and fossil.
The future of mobile-first Web3 is here, and we are entering into a post-PC era of Web3 today with ExaDrive and the phenomenal Darwin Layer 1. We are announcing the launch of our ZAP token on 16th of April 2024, and you will be able to get your hands on them through various DEXs. We'll announce the list very soon. You will be able to use ExaDrive in Q4 of 2024 and Darwin in Q2 of 2025. With that, thank you so much for joining us on ExaConf 2024, the post-PC era of Web3. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.